Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and I'm in my radio room, and I'm using my RSP-DX SDR with my K-480 loop antenna. And I know a lot of you don't really like watching shows where people are showing they're listening to shortwave radio. But my point is that recently the solar conditions have been pretty good, so the noise level has been low. Matter of fact, I've got the gain on the K480 amplifier turned down, and you can see the noise level is down below 110 or something. So that's what I wanted to show you. So it's a good time right now. Of course, it's going to change. And yesterday it was excellent. The A index yesterday was, I think, 5, and that's where you want it to be, 5 or less. Now today it's moved back up. I think I have it right here. Yeah. See, yesterday there was an all-time low. Now it's moved back up. Does it tell me that number? No, it doesn't. If I go up here, here it is. It's moved back up to a 16, which is quite high, but that might be a little. Those numbers might be a little delayed. They're not real time. So it may be back down. So we'll see. And so my point is, let me get back to this, is that finally shortwave reception conditions have improved. You know, I showed you this a couple weeks ago, and it was just full of noise. Not too bad. So you need to get your radios fired up and start listening to shortwave. I'll just let it do a brief scan for a few seconds, minutes, because like I say, I know a lot of people, I know my views on this kind of whatever are not very good, but I just want to get the word out that finally shortwave conditions have improved. Let's do a quick scan here. I was to let it start where I'm going to start at the beginning. And here we go. WWV. Let me do something here. Let me turn the volume down a little bit. Now we'll start it again. Oh, also let me change the delay time here to, let me go to 10 seconds. 15's a little long. Okay, so let's scan here.
Programa con tantos años al aire. Para nosotros es un honor contar contigo, Ludmila, y sobre todo que te conviertas hoy en la voz informativa desde Morón, desde Ciego de Ávila.
Now that was a station just south of Florida, coming in really strong. Looks like I need to crank up my squelch.
And
Here we
get the
go.
word inside of you. All right, Sam, are you there?
Now let me do something else.
All right, we're going to break.
Let me pause this.
And we'll return after these messages, ladies and gentlemen.
That's loud and clear.
Did you know?
But that's not really what this is saying. This is what's in the database. Let me look that up, 5850. Let me look that up for you. I think that's close by. We'll go to short-wave.info, 5850, I believe it was, 5850, and that is actually WRMI out of Okeechobee, Florida. So that's very close to me. And they have a lot of good programs. Some of them, you know, these Bible stuff and stuff like that, but they have these other things, especially on the weekends. They have some interesting shows. Okay, let's go back. And we'll scan for a few more seconds. That's all frequency.
Every several gate was of one pearl. The street of the city
That
was
sounds
pure
close.
gold, as it were transparent glass.
5920.
No temple therein.
Be mute. We look this up, then I'll quit. 5920. 5920. 5920. Oh. No, I can't believe that. This could be quite a ways away. No, this is probably what it is. It's probably WTWW in Lebanon, Tennessee. That's probably what it is. Let me go back to that real quick. Now the problem is, or the situation is my friend John created this database for me, and what he did is he went through the EIB database and he selected only the first entry on each of the frequencies, which each of the frequencies may have multiple stations listed. So because he just picked the first one, this could be incorrect. Now let me try something real quick and then I'll stop babbling. We'll go to my plugins and we'll go to Fran. Unfortunately, the database that I have for Fran is 2022. That's the newest one I have. And let's just see what it says. Okay, now I have to zoom in, because you can see there's a lot of stations on the same frequency or near. So let's see what Fran says it is. Let's see. Yep, KBS, Voice of Freedom. Now, did I look that up? 5920? I did look that up, didn't I? Yeah. And so I think it was Lebanon, Tennessee, WTWW. I don't know if that shows in the database of Fran. No. And they change their frequencies. These shortwave stations change their frequencies quite often. So like I say, this database that I'm using with Fran is quite old. It's like 2022, as I showed you. That's almost 3 years old. So anyway, thank you for watching. My point is, shortwave conditions are finally getting better, so you can hear those distant stations. Like I like to listen to China radio and see what they're saying about the United States, or listening to stations in England, see what they're saying about the United States, other stations in Europe, to see what they're saying about the United States. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.